Hey bitsCrunch fan! In this video let us see about how we review Gaming Metadata Proposal. Starting with the first proposal. The game name here is LastMeta. Its address is given. And chain as Etherscan. Genre is given as social game. And its deployer is given. Checking on the Etherscan link, it is LastMeta contract. Checking on the deployer. It is correct. There is another associated address given. Checking it on Etherscan. We cannot see any associated contract for that address. Checking on the URL, it takes us to LastMeta site. It is correct. Checking on the given social handles. It is LastMeta's official Telegram and Twitter handle. So it is correct. Since most of the details are correct, we accept this proposal and submit the review. Coming to the next proposal. Game name is Cambria. Its address and chain is given. Genre is arcade games. Checking on the external URL. It takes us to the official Cambria's website. We can see it belongs to arcade games. Checking on the deployer info. It matches with the given address. Checking on the social handles. Discord URL is correct. And Twitter is also correct. Since all the information are correct, we accept the proposal and submit the review. Coming to the next proposal. Game name is Umio. Its address and chain is given. Genre is play to earn. Checking on the external URL. It takes us to the official Umio's website. We can see it belongs to play to earn. Checking on the deployer info. It matches with the given deployer. And checking on the associated addresses. We can see it is associated with the contract as Mythic Seed and Synergy Seed. Checking on the social handles given. Discord URL is correct. And Twitter is also correct. Since all the information are correct, we accept the proposal and submit the review. Coming to the next proposal. Game name is 1234, which is suspicious. Its address and chain is given as Polygon. Genre is incremental games. Checking on the external URL. It takes us to the Discord invite, which is incorrect. Checking on image URL. It shows 404 error, so it is incorrect. Checking on the social handles given. Twitter link is incorrect as account does not exist. And Medium is also wrong. So we reject the proposal, stating wrong data provided, and submit the review. Hope you have an idea about how we review Gaming Metadata Proposal. Happy contributing!